Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to create a Scoop.it account. Just search Scoop.it and after that here you can see this is official website. Just click here. Now let's find sign up or create account. Here you can see the sign up option. After that just click here. I don't have Facebook or Twitter account. After that you can fill out this form. Then add email address. After that add some password. Scroll down, here you can see just select marketing. After that here you can see this is the captcha. Just fill out and verify it. Alright, captcha is completed. Now click here sign up button. After that select here about your company size, company members. Just we can select a range. After that click here next. Now we need to confirm our email, so let's go to email. Here you can see just confirm it. After that let's select a free package. Now here add a topic name, for example tech. After that click on next. Here you can see the account has been created and ready to use. Here you can share a new scoop. Just copy and paste any of the link.